The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. Today again, Cardano looks okay-ish, maybe okay-ish. Maybe it looks better than it actually looks, because it actually looks bad, but maybe actually looks good. So I want to talk about that and why I think it's looking good while it's looking bad, if that makes sense. So let's get into the charts, make my face smaller, charts bigger as always, and see what's actually happening here. I don't know if you remember the last Cardano video we did it on this candle over here, and it was really important, as I said in that video, that we break the 1.15, that we get above this resistance, right? And we did get above that resistance. We went all the way up to 23, we closed at 19, and then we just crashed back down into this range between 111 and 115. So what's happening now is that we crashed back into this range between 115 and 111, and we asked, but the good news is we are still keeping the support on the bottom side. So all in all, it's not that bad. We are just back where we started, so we have to see what's going on. But we are actually not where we actually started, because if you start looking at the moving averages, it looks terrible. It doesn't look good. No. It looks terrible. Like if you look at just on moving averages, it's just man. Let's remove some of these wicks just so you can see this better. So you can see the yellow one, that's the 10 moving average, and 21, that's the 20 moving average, and preferably want to be above both of the moving averages, like to push the price higher, right? So when we went down, we went through the 10 moving average, we got support on this support line, right? Kept the support line, and then the 20 moving average came up to us, and then it pushed us all the way up to the 10 moving average, but we got we went above the 10 moving average, but got rejected on the next day, which invalidates everything. And then we not only did we go back to the 20, we went below the 20 moving average, and you can see today here we are actually below 20 moving average, and we are sitting on the support. So what am I gonna say now? Well, I'm gonna say that we have to get above 115 again. Sorry guys, that's life of technical analysis. You gotta get above certain resistance. You gotta get above this 1.15 line. You see this 1.15, it's just where the 10 and the 20 moving average right is. So we are sitting at 111 on this support down here. But you gotta get and stay above 115. If you don't do that, like, what are you doing here? What are you doing here? No. So we gotta stay above 115. So just looking at moving averages and the support and resistance line, this looks terrible. Like if any normal sane person would look at this, they would be like, okay, I'm out of here, bye-bye. Like, yeah. So where is the, what am I gonna say? Where is the hope? Where is the hope? And I'm gonna show you the hope. I'm gonna show you the hope. First, we're gonna start hope by drawing. Let's just remove a little bit lines over here. We're gonna start hope by drawing some trend lines, and of course this is one of the most beautiful trend lines you have ever seen, and I'll show you it. It's quite nice. It's quite nice. It's actually pretty good, pretty decent. This goes all the way from bottom down here, and it goes something like this, because support broke it down, resistance went all the way down, resistance down, jumped above it. I know you can see it, held it for 1 2 3 4 days, and then bounced off with the resistance line. So this was pretty good, and then it jumped support, and then it's support again. Maybe you can draw this like this over here, and then put this one maybe down here, something like this now, because it doesn't fit with the agenda down there. No, we're gonna keep this one. Yeah, this one line is just very nice. So the hope starts here. Okay, the hope part starts here, because we are hitting some kind of again support line, like over here. You can see here the wick went all the way down to 1.04. So right now today the lowest we should actually go is 1.05. Tomorrow it should be around 105, 166. So we are pretty close to hitting the sitting on the support line. So that's where the hope lies, and I'm gonna show you the bullish side of the things, and that has to do with the RSI. Let's just say a quick word about the MACD before we do the RSI, because MACD looks terrible as well. Technically it looks terrible, but it actually looks good, and I'm gonna explain why it looks bad, because we are still converging, right? We are still having the falling MACD. It's still getting red candles, it's still going down, right? So you don't actually know when it's gonna down, but statistically speaking, the more this goes on, the bigger chances it's gonna reverse and start going up. We thought it's gonna reverse here on this green candle, right? That didn't happen, it could just continue going down. Statistically, the more it goes down, the bigger chance is for the reversal, just speaking statistically. So let's say a few things about RSI and what's actually bullish about RSI. I think we can use the let's just use candlesticks without wicks. Candlesticks without wicks is nice because RSI does not use wicks. Okay, so you remember that we are talking about RSI divergence, stuff like that, right? Price going higher, right? You get this divergence, lower divergence, right? And we can start like this. Every time that this happened, right, we got this this move down. Just turn off. We got this move down, right? And then next time that happened, we also got the move down, right? Move down, right? So everything seems to be playing as it should be playing, but on the other side, on the bottom side, we got hidden bullish divergence. That's this, and then we got the moves up. That's the moves up. And then the second time, we still got the hidden bullish divergence when the price moved over here, down here, and we should have gotten the move up. That was the theory, but we didn't. And now what's happening right now is that we are having this, let me zoom in on this so you can see it better. We are still having a big, not big, but we are still having hidden bullish divergence. Because over here, this is still going down and the price is still going up. So basically, since this didn't correct up as it should have corrected, we have this big hidden bullish divergence that should play on the upside. That's actually that's the theory. That's the theory, okay? So basically, these divergences up here, these two, played out already, so they are finished, right? So we don't have those anymore. But this hidden bullish divergence played out, but this didn't, right? And it's just continuing going up, and the price is continuing going down. RSI is continuing going down. So this should actually anytime now play on the upside. So take into the consideration that we got the RSI hidden bullish divergence. We are sitting on the trend line that I just drew, the line, the support line. And the fact that MACD, the further it goes down, the bigger the chance is gonna go up, tells me that maybe we are hitting some kind of a bottom. Maybe this is some kind of bottom, because we are sitting at a support line up here. There's one support line over here, and especially this one over here is especially important. Let me draw it. So we are sitting above this support area right over here. So number one, we are sitting at support area. We are getting hidden bullish divergence, long-term hidden bullish divergence, and the MACD is bound sooner or later to turn bullish. When that's gonna happen, but the longer this goes on, the higher the probability is to turn bullish. So the problem is the moving averages. I won't lie to you. The problem, the way I see it, are the moving averages, and we are actually below the two most important moving averages on the daily, below 10 and 20 moving average. So I'm still saying we got to get above this 1.15 line to be bullish again. But it looks like it's gonna happen. The way I see it, because this can continue going down. I'm not gonna lie to you. This can continue going down. And I wouldn't trade this. I'm just saying what I think is, because this is very hard to trade, you know. But considering the RSI divergence, considering the might be some kind of a bottom, might be some kind of extortion. It is bottom. It is bottom. Let's just call it, this is the bottom, and people are scared it's gonna go down, and it's gonna turn out past the 1.15 and it's gonna go up. Not a financial advice. You do with your money what you wanna do. My opinions only. You do your trades, I'll do my trades, and all that shebang. This can go down just as easily it can go up. But I'm saying, like, I think maybe it's possible with a certain degree of probability that this right now is actually the bottom. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel, click all the buttons. Yeah, thanks for watching. Check some other of my videos. That's it. You got any questions, post them down in comments. I usually, if you are like one of the first guys, I usually answer the questions. If you have that decent questions, like, at least you get a heart. Maybe you get a heart. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.